Jogg AI versus Heygen. Let's get started. So, Jogg AI is a newer video tool aimed at turning articles, blog posts, or briefs into short, snappy videos with voiceovers and visuals. It's designed for quick turnaround content for social media or internal communication. So, it turns into video text in seconds. It's great for repurposing blog content or newsletters, and it has a built-in voiceover and AI editing with a simple timeline interface for tweaks and fast and beginner-friendly. Now, Heygen, on the other hand, is one of the most popular AI avatar video tools, known for its realistic presenters, language support, and business-friendly features. It's widely used in marketing, training, and global communication. So what it offers is it has a realistic AI avatar with diverse looks and voices. It supports over 300 plus voices and 40 plus languages, and upload your own voice or face for personalization, and it's great for explainer videos, tutorials, and product demos. They also have a professional grade output for business use. So Jag AI is best if you want to quickly turn and convert articles or blogs into watchable short videos. And then Heijen is ideal for professional looking avatar videos, especially for tutorials, onboarding, business intros, and multilingual communication.